Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to hide birth date on Viber. Maybe you want to maintain your privacy or you simply prefer not to display your birth date on your Viber account. So today I'm going to show you how to hide birth date on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on this more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Viber menu. From this menu, tap on Settings. In this Settings page, tap on Privacy. Here, you will see an option that says Share your birth date. By default, this option is enabled, indicated by the button being checked. Now, to hide your birth date, simply tap on this button next to Share your birth date option. Once you do that, the button will be unchecked, indicating that you now have successfully hidden your birth date on Viber. From now on, your birth date will no longer be visible on your account. There you go. If you wanted to know how to hide birth date on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to hide birth date on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.